Hey kids, are you ready for an epic adventure? Today, I'm going to take you on a journey with some of the coolest cartoon heroes ever. Meet Max, Lily, and Sparky the Amazing Dragon. They live in the colorful land of Fantasia, where every day brings a new adventure. But today is special. Our heroes are on a quest to find the magical crystal of light. Max is the brave leader. With his trusty sword and quick thinking, he's always ready to take on any challenge. Lily is super smart and knows all about magic. And Sparky? Well, Sparky can fly and breathe fire, making him the perfect sidekick. Our story begins in their cozy little village. One day, the village elder told them about the crystal of light, hidden deep in the enchanted forest. This crystal can protect their village from the dark shadows spreading across the land. So without a second thought, Max, Lily, and Sparky set off on their journey. As they enter the forest, they hear strange noises. Suddenly, a group of mischievous goblins appear. But don't worry, Max pulls out his sword, and with a swish and a swoosh, he scares them away. Next, they reach the misty mountains. To cross, they must solve a riddle from the wise old owl. What has keys but can't open locks? Think you know the answer? It's a piano. Lily solves it in no time, and the owl lets them pass. Finally, they arrive at the enchanted cave, where the crystal of light is hidden. But it's guarded by the fierce dragon Draco. Sparky steps up to face Draco. It's dragon against dragon. With a burst of courage, Sparky breathes fire, and Draco, impressed by Sparky's bravery, lets them have the crystal. With the crystal of light in hand, our heroes race back to the village. They place it in the village center, and the whole place lights up with a magical glow, banishing the dark shadows forever. Max, Lily, and Sparky are celebrated as heroes. They showed that with bravery, intelligence, and teamwork, you can overcome any challenge. And that's the end of today's adventure, kids. Remember, you can be a hero too. Just believe in yourself and never give up. Until next time, keep dreaming big and stay awesome. Bye for now.